Good afternoon, and so today I'm going to show you how to create a GoDaddy website so that you can have your own customized URL for your business. So first of all, you have to know what your business is going to be named. So I am going to go with one that I came up with, which is Jewelry Addicts Anonymous. So I'm going to search it, and it says that that one is taken. But down here it says that this one is not. So I'm going to do that one. I'm going to add that to the cart. And as you can see, it's only $11.99. So I'm going to go ahead, and now that I've added it to the cart, I'm going to go and click continue to cart. And from here, if you want privacy protection, you can choose to do that. I'm going to go ahead for demonstrative purposes, say no thanks. I don't want to start a website because Paparazzi already gives us one, so this is just going to be a redirect. I don't want to set up an email today, but I mean, it's only $2 a month. If you want, I recommend just doing a Gmail instead of paying $2 a month for a custom email. So now I'm going to continue to cart again. And I am going to change this over to 1 year because I only want 1 year for now. And if I want to add additional domains, I can. If I wanted to add anything else, it would pop up and recommend that. You're gonna create an account. Along the way, you can sign in with your Gmail, whatever, but from there you hit complete purchase. And now it's mine, I own it. And so I can view the receipt. But now what I need to do is I need to link my Paparazzi account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to where it says forward to an existing web page if you're short on time. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so it's going to pop up and it's going to give me different options on which kind of redirect I want to go with. So for this, I am going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to choose forward to any site. So this is where you're going to go to your Paparazzi page. So here is my Paparazzi page. Let me see here. So here is mine. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to copy my Paparazzi website page here. I'm going to go back over here to the forward to any site. I'm going to paste that there. I'm going to hit next. Confirm this is how you want your domain to connect. When users go to jewelryaddictanonymous.com, they'll be redirected to my Paparazzi accessory page. I'm going to hit finish, and it's going to apply the changes. And so now, if I click on that, it shows that it is set up and good to go. So now if I type in Jewelry Addict Anonymous.com, it's going to take me straight to my Paparazzi page. So that's how you set up a GoDaddy website URL redirect. If you have any questions about how to do this further, then you can always send me a message or send Amber or Dallas a message. We all are really good at helping you guys out and showing you how to step you through all of this process. Thank you guys.